So first case, you're gonna need some foam circles, and here you can see me drawing circles and cutting them out because I just couldn't find any pre-cut ones. So yeah, it's been a lot of work. So get ready for this because making a silicone mermaid tail is not easy. So after that, you want to take any kind of board. You can take a wooden board or whatever. I'm just using these things you're supposed to put under your floor, and I have like 2 of these. I'm gonna tape them together using some duct tape just to make it perfect size, and then I'm going to glue my foam circles into the board. So yeah, here I'm just using some glue and gluing this into the board. And get ready because you're gonna need a lot of glue. First I just took like 1 tube of glue, but at the end I ran out of 7 packages of glue, so be prepared. Yeah, so this is how it looks like after you're done with it. I had to cut some of the circles out of these things I used for board because I just ran out of foam, but it worked pretty good. Then you want to glue some of the circles to the container and cover it with that molding materials, whatever you have. I'm just using this. Couple of spoons of it mixed with water and pour it into your container. Then leave it for about 2 hours until it's completely dry and you have your mold. Then you want to remove your foam circles and clean it a little bit because you can see I have some glue over here and there. So yeah, and just be prepared because it's not going to look perfect. So you want to take a knife or scissors and make it perfect in a couple places. Like you're gonna see in a moment. Like over here, it's not perfect, but it's going to be like after 2 seconds. Yep, as you can tell, it looks better. So then you just want to take that and your silicone. I'm using here Dragon Skin FX Pro. Here you can see part A, part B, some fork just to mix it together, container, and my mold. I'm just throwing that in here. Then I'm taking some gloves because I don't want silicone all over my hands. So yeah, here we have instructions and all that jazz you need to know about your silicone. So it depends like what silicone you have. And then measuring cup and a marker just to mark like the level of my silicone to add both parts, because I want like both parts to be even. Yep, so the first part, it's actually part B. And part A. So you just need a little bit of silicone for the sample because it's going to be small. Then just mix that together, and I wanted to go crazy with it and add some pigments. So here you can tell, as you can tell, it's turquoise D16, but I forgot that it's really pigmented and came out too dark. So I added also some sky blue D15, but it went like seriously too dark. So you want to pour your silicone into your mold and leave it for about 45 minutes. It depends on the kind of silicone you're using. So after 45 minutes, you have your sample ready to go. Yeah, so someone has told me that you should use heat on your like while demolding your sample. So I decided to use a blow dryer. Then I just took a cardboard and started to like separate your silicone from the walls of the container, if that makes sense. So yeah, it was not easy because I was afraid I'm gonna rip something off. But Dragon Skin FX Pro is really flexible, so it came out really good. Here you can see me using heat again and all that jazz. And this is how it looks like after you're done.